Alright guys, welcome back to Aussie Frenchman. Yes, it's been a sad week this week. My son moved out. It's gone very quiet. We've only got one left and he makes all the noise. You'll probably hear him in the background yelling and screaming on the computer with his mates. But anyway, my son has quite a collection of models and he felt sorry for me when he left, so he gave me a couple of his models. And he said, Dad, I'm going to give you these ones. All right. Now I did a thing on this one, a box opening on this one last year, all right? But then he also gave me this one. Yes. Fuso Battleship. And this, like this one, is 100% all PE. So won't that be fun? Yes. No plastic at all. But anyway, that's one thing. Now, what we're going to carry on today, he left me a model of a ship, 1 to 200 scale. And I was excited. And then he stood before me and he handed me this 1 to 200 scale, kept his word, of a whaler, New Bedford whaler. Oh, love it. But anyway, I opened her up and I was impressed. Not much in the box, just black sprue and a brown sprue. And it's all, mind you, yeah. And it's and a white sprue with a thread inside the bag. It's all pretty well packed, hey? And of course, the instructions and a bit of information about advertising and tools. Yes. Now, I'm actually laughing at this, not because of how tiny it is, alright, but more so because I'm looking at the likes of everyone these days building these massive 1 to 200 scale ships, alright, and this is exactly the same scale. So we're going to have a look. Totally missed. Try that again. Yeah, my son, as he was leaving, goes, Dad, can you set me up a box with a whole heap of modelling stuff? I looked at him and said, son, you get wages now. Go and buy your own. Yes. Want to steal with paintbrushes and everything else, my goodness. And anyway, okay, let's have a look at this. Actually, it's not too bad. Actually, it's tiny. And mind you, you know, like I think Ron and I talked about this. Like the grain of rice to scale. I'm basmati, short and round, but yeah, you can actually see it. Like a grain of rice would actually be to scale on this. But, very simple moulding. But mind you, you're not going to see the underneath part of those ones there. But anyway, we got the holes. The hole in 2 parts. And so that part of the rigging was something. Oh yeah, for the mast. So that's all nice. And I'm going to paint her in the red, white, black. No, red, black, white, black. And I think a white rim around the top. Yep. And even like, there you go, for a tiny little ship. I don't have to get up for this one. But can you see that? mate. There you go. Like you can, it's all done. It's all detailed. Looks pretty cool. Anyway, let's not like. What have we got now? We had a look at those. Now the sails I'm just going to leave in there for now. They look pretty cool, and don't really want to damage that. But I'm going to actually start building it right now, because you know what? I'm in the mood for something different. I'm actually waiting on decals for the APC. Thank God I took the guns off that one. What I try to do is, where are they? Yeah, they're over there. Hang on. They're going to be all over this place. We bought a stencil. Few of them. And now, in the end, I gave up after multiple tries and la la and la la and la la. I gave up and I surrendered, and I told Johnny Bravo that I could not make my own stencils and do them, and that they didn't look right. So I surrendered, and then we went on the mission to find decals for the APC, and that was no mean feat. And trying to find anything Australian as far as decals or anything like that is very hard at times, especially if you want to be like specific, time specific. If you want Russian, German, American stuff, British stuff, I mean, you got every form of decal you could ever want, but Australian, no, not so much. And the era that we wanted, 90s, was not available. So in the end, I don't want to do that. You gotta be careful, some of the detail here on the end of the windows, they jut out, and I was gonna fight like that, and I went, oops, stop. And I just want to have a look how she fits. I was having a joke with myself before when I had a look at this when he gave it to me. First thing was, will it float? Can I make it float? What do I have to do to make it float? So I'm going to give it a go, I think. I'm a bit silly that way. But anyway, let's go for a fit anyway. Far out, I'm planning away. Oh wow, what a lovely fit. That's beautiful. That's really nice. Okay, that's easy. that's nice. All right. I'm gonna pull out the what do you call it? Or lost the parts. There they are. I'm gonna get the decking part. Now, I sneakily, I mean, I should pull them out. Is the yeah, I've gone and started building it. I haven't even shown the instructions or anything. Like I said, I've been sick lately, and a bit under the weather, but these instructions are fully comprehensive, like mad instructions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and rigging. So 5 steps of plastic. So not much involved. You've got the deck, put a hole together. You've got the poop deck to put on, and then you've got the life rafts, or not life rafts, the whale boats to put on their racks. You've got a pump there. The only reason why I think it's a pump there because they want to paint it metallic grey. Grey. I thought, yeah, E, not A. But anyway, so it's pretty And then obviously step 2, you got all the whale boats, but I'm going to paint her up nice, and I'm just going to get on with it. Poop deck. Yep, okay. And we want that deck as well. What else do we need? We'll put the instructions away. This is actually nice building this ship because like it is so basic. Oh yeah, and the winch. Yeah, the winch for bringing the whales on board. Nasty. Guys. Alright. Okay. It's gonna be a nice little size actually, those mice. Okay. I'm actually thinking of because I can't help myself right now with dioramas. Alright. Put this in a diorama, put some foam, put some waves, and hang on guys, I'll be back in a minute. Right. That'll do. No, there we go. Yeah, like I was saying with the APC, I surrendered and I got some decals, and the secret of finding them was putting in generic Australian Army decals. Alright, and then I found exactly what I needed. So, and it's not even for that model, it's actually for an Abraham tank of that same era. But they make it for the Abraham tank, and they also do the Australian UN, which is strange. I don't know why there'd be an Australian UN APC, but anyway, just read shit. Oh, I want to see now. How's that going to go in? The fingernail. Oh, scraper. Alright. Okay. Now, is that going to clip in when this is closed? I mean, how do they I mean, I don't think you'd be able to pop it in while they're together. I'll do the other half there. Because if you could, that'd be fantastic. But somehow, because it's on, what I'm thinking is how am I going to put weight on the bottom of this and have it even. Alright, you know what? There we go. I'll have to give up then. Alright, cool. Oh, excellent. Brilliant. Alright, all coming together. Alright, you guys, I'm going to clean all these pieces up, get them glued together. I might come back and show you what I've done, and we'll have a little talk. Alright, see you soon. Okay guys, I've cleaned her all up. Fits rather well together. It's all just drove fit. As I was hoping. Of course you're going to do that on camera, aren't you? Pop, thank you very much. poop deck goes on the back like that. That's it. And that's it. Voila, I have finished my first 1 to 200 scale ship. Ta-da! Brilliant. Alright guys, I'm going to leave you with that. It's about as much fun as I can all handle right now. It's a rush into my brain. I'm excited. Possibilities. I'm not going to go there. But this has got potential. It really has. It's a really nice little boat. I am going to make it float because I want to make it float. Colouring. What do they say about the colouring? Or do they? No? See artwork. Of course. Alright. I love sea artwork. Alright. Let's see artwork. Yeah, yes. It's gonna look nice. White. Black trimming, white trimming, black, and then red hull. Red mast. Oh, red at the top. Or is that? No, that's just a brown. I was getting excited then. It does look red though. I have to do a bit of detail. It could be red, you know, like, I don't know. Oh, hang on. Pictures on the side. Oh no, just brown. Yeah. Alright, gee, that looks cool. No, I'm not going to show you the pictures. I'm keeping that to myself. Because I'll screw it up. Alright, yeah. Traditional. Yeah, just what I thought. Okay, cool. Okay, it's all going to be deck tan. And these parts here are deck tan, all deck tan. What I will do is I'll paint the mast linoleum brown Tamiya, which I don't have with me right now. There's the rust I've been looking for the last past 2 days right in front of me. No, I'm not going to go looking for it, but yeah, that's what I'm going to use. All the little whale boats are white. So it's going to look really pretty schmick. So I'm going to paint this up. No, first I'm not. First I'm going to make sure that it's all nice and clean. Everything's nice and neat. I'm going to, because I've been watching Nigel and his Vulcan build. And I see what he means about detail, where you spend all that time cleaning up and doing a really wonderful job, and then you leave a seam like that right at the very top where everyone can see, right? And it's not finished. So with such a tiny little ship, I want to pay attention, right? Yep, you can get off. Like the seam on the back, I don't want to hit that with any sort of sandpaper. It's just a very nice. But what needs to be done is Mr. Surfacer, like glue down, like he does, put a bit of sprue glue on the back, because they'll be hidden by the poop deck. Put a bit of sprue glue, so I'll have to make some sprue glue. Won't that be fun? I've got plenty of new stuff, and I've got the old bottle. We can do that. And, yeah, and then I want to put Mr. Surfacer. And I actually want to give this a coat of Mr. Surfacer to see how really good it really is. Alright guys, that's it from me. Have a good one guys. Enjoy life.